Thank you, Honorable Member, for Zomba City North. Honorable members, I am advised that the nomination has been endorsed by Honorable Member for Sikugawa South and Honorable Member for Machinga Central in support of the proposed candidate for the position of First Deputy Speaker. Let me now ask one of the two honorable members who endorsed the nomination in support of the proposed candidate to second the nomination. Honorable Member for Sikugawa South, you have the floor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir, for granting the people of Sikugawa South this opportunity to second the motion on the floor. As my colleague has said, let me also congratulate you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for assuming the office of Speaker, and this is a testament that members of Parliament across the aisle have trust in you. May Allah guide you in your position, and we have full confidence that you will lead this House in a very amicable manner. Mr. Speaker, sir, let me and fellow members of the House, I rise today to second the nomination of Honorable Victor Musowa for the position of Deputy Speaker of the August House. This will be my third term working together with Honorable Musowa. Honorable Victor Musowa possesses the requisite qualities, experience, and dedication to serve this Parliament and the people of Malawi with distinction. As a seasoned parliamentarian, he has demonstrated a deep understanding of our rules, procedures, and the importance of upholding dignity in the House. I urge you all to support Honorable Musowa, and let's work together to elect a Deputy Speaker who will uphold the principles of fairness, integrity, and excellence. Having been proposed by His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika and nominated by the Honorable Member for Zomba City North, the people of Sikugawa South second the motion. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir.